lunch.
Let's get some time. Tell me, man, we're gonna be doing what it's like to be dating. You alright?
Oh my man, I'm going over the video. I'm going over the dance in my head.
Can you let me do my intro without
Okay,
you
doing
all this smooth? Can you distracting me?
Go ahead.
If you want to do a dance, move from around me. Alright, let's get some time, man. We're gonna be doing what it's like to date a American female / girl / lady. Yeah. So you gonna hear my perspective from a Jamaican, how this feel today American, so how this feel today in culture. So we're gonna dive into it. We're gonna waste some time. Make sure you gotta like and subscribe. I'm gonna try my best to try and list everything, the good, the bad, and the awesome. Yeah.
The bad.
Yeah. And this guy is just for entertainment purposes. This is just for people who around the world who want to know what it feels being American. So do not. Well, I don't really care. But do not bash me in the comments.
This is his opinion based.
It's my
off
opinion
me.
of her, and it's not of you because I'm not with you, obviously. So we're gonna dive into it. The video might be all over the place because I'm just say the first thing that comes to my mind. I didn't write it down, so I'm right now just thinking.
You're pulling it out.
Yeah, so the video gonna be all over the place. So we're gonna dive into it. You got anything you wanna say? Why? They didn't hear your voice since the video started.
Make sure I hit that notification bell to be notified when we post another video. Oh well, you said they didn't hear my voice, so they heard my voice.
They didn't want to hear.
They heard my voice.
They didn't want to hear.
They heard my voice. They heard my voice.
Okay. So guys, what does it feel like to date an American? What I can say is it's very different. Very different in a lot of ways, good and bad. Here's the, you know what? It's a lot of bad.
Bad?
Yeah, it's a lot of bad. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna do it like this. Coming from a culture back home, you know, where it's a lot of hard work and you grow up, it's a lot of. Yeah, I said it.
I work hard.
Work hard what?
I work hard.
What?
At work.
Yada. That's what you do?
Yes, I work hard.
Alright. So
period.
It's a big difference as far as back home Jamaica and then and over here. So first thing what I would say is dating an American it's not bad as people make it seem, but it's a lot of bad. Yeah,
first
it's a lot
of all,
of bad.
you say it's not.
Shut up!
Jesus Christ. Who you talking to?
It's a lot of bad. Hit me one more time. Hit me 50 times. The cooking. Take this off. Let them see your face. The cooking.
What that mean?
The cooking.
What that mean?
You know the Jamaican man we like our food and we like our banana and all that thing there.
I cook.
Cook what?
Food.
What kind of food? You don't cook food. You don't cook food.
Y'all don't let him sit here and then tell y'all like that. I cook.
You
I
cook
know
what?
how to cook.
Cook what?
Cereal, noodles.
You don't cook cereal.
Sandwiches.
Exactly my point. The cooking.
But
There's a major difference between back home and over here. It's a big difference. It's a big difference. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Alright.
Your point.
My point is get the game. Alright, anyways.
I know how to cook. Shoot.
But no, fair. Growing up back home, it's not as much, it's not as how would I say? Restaurant wise big like over here. So back home, everybody have to learn to cook. I mean, I've been saying a lot of females, moms, aunties, whatever, like to cook. Like all we do is cook. We don't really go to restaurants that much. So when I moved here, it was a little different. You know what I'm saying? I didn't get. Of course, I'm not gonna get the same thing. I know that, but it's not the same as everybody cooking back home versus over here. No. I should say they cook cereal. Who cooks cereal? What the fuck?
I was playing. Nobody cooks no cereal. You just take the cereal and the milk and you put it in a bowl. Cereal? Period. That's it.
I want my rice and chicken, man.
That's all he be wanting is rice and chicken.
I want rice and dumpling and dasheen and potatoes and green banana.
What's a dasheen?
Exactly my point. Shut in the one in dasheen.
You ain't never made
Ladies
no dasheen.
and gentlemen, we got a problem.
You ain't never made no dasheen.
Alright, so that's number one. The cooking is very different over here. Them not like cook.
Yes, we do cook.
Them not like cook. Not nobody like them people. Them not like cook. Alright, wait. So we know with the cooking thing now. They lazy.
Who lazy?
You. They lazy. You.
But I'm not lazy.
You're lazy.
How am I lazy? Tell me how I'm lazy.
What?
Tell me how I'm lazy.
You lie down too much in that damn bed.
How? You want to say I lie down too much on the damn bed?
Oh.
You.
What do you mean?
Babe.
What do you mean?
I always say, babe, let's go for a run. Like, after work, let's not get on the bed. Let's go for a run.
Okay, who's the most energized one here?
Me!
No!
Stop the cap.
Stop the cap right now! You capping! You capping!
Yo, he's lying!
You're big capping!
Babe, you are lying!
I'm the most energized one here! You big capping! I'm the most
Babe, you lying! I'm gonna expose his ass.
Oh.
You literally come from work, you come here, you change your clothes, and then you either put Young and the Restless on, y'all. He watch Young and the Restless with his old ass.
Okay.
He put Young and the Restless on, and then he get right here. He lay in this spot right here.
Okay.
And he watches Young and the Restless. He be on his phone.
Okay.
And after he got his phone, he go do his other side hustle. Whatever.
Which is I'm still working, right? So I come on my rest and I go do my work, right? Right?
You said
right?
I lay down all the time.
Huh?
Huh?
I did that all the time?
Yes.
Okay, if I did, it's still all the time.
I don't lay down all the time.
Okay.
I only lay down
Is this your video or my video?
Go on with your video.
My
boo.
video or your video?
Go on with your video, boo. But I'm just sitting there right because he's not finna get on here and be telling stories about me. Go on, take it away. Tell him how you lazy.
Ooh.
You.
I'm like.
Ain't no owls in here. You see an owl in here?
Damn. Alright, so as you guys see, the lazy, the cooking, then. When I say lazy, I'm not talking about like lazy all day, literally all day. You know what I'm saying? That's like cooking. You cook, but you don't cook all day.
I'm not finna cook all day.
All breakfast, like, that's what I'm used to. That's what I'm used to. That's what I'm used to. You
My
feel me?
specialty is breakfast.
Back home, when it comes to lazy back home, the females they hammer it down, they taking the wheels out, they fixing the brakes.
I'm not doing
that. They doing all that shit.
I'm not doing it.
You feel me? You see? That's a big difference right there. So when I say lazy, I'm not talking about laying in bed 24/7. No, I'm talking about that type of lazy. You know what I mean? What else? The dancing, the twerking and the dancing.
I can twerk.
Shut the
I can dance.
Shut the I'm so, sit down. You come back in there. You already come back in there. Sorry for my language, but shut up. Shut up.
You shut up.
Stop.
What I tell you about telling me that?
Zip it. But the dancing, I don't know what the dancing. This is for everybody. No. I'm not talking just you. I talk worldwide and when they dancing come to the American. The dancing part in a two click.
We know how to dance.
We dance. Show me that. Show you dance.
Okay, let me show you.
I mean
Let
dance. I mean compared to Jamaican dancing and your phone dancing.
No, Jamaican.
Hey, thank you. You answered my question. She said no.
No.
You answered my question. She said no.
Y'all don't dance. Y'all dry hump.
What?
What?
Y'all dry hump.
We dance.
That's dry humping.
Show me an example.
We call it dry humping.
Show me an example of dry humping.
Okay, get up.
Get what?
Go, dance.
What?
Dance.
Are you for dance, not me?
Back. Okay, y'all be like this. This your body here.
No.
No. I'm finna show you. I'm finna show you. This your body. I mean, this, yeah.
Who do that? Who do that? Who do that?
Y'all be dry humping.
No, try to come
Y'all be trying to get a boner.
We don't do that.
Dropping niggas from ceilings and stuff.
That's what we used to, bro.
Throwing people from trees. Who dance from trees?
Us! That's to make it more fun.
Fun?
See, that's what I'm talking about.
Please find me the definition of
y'all
fun.
see, everything I said so far is facts. It's facts.
No.
The cooking,
Please
lazy, the dancing, it's all facts.
Show me the definition of fun in
The
that.
dancing, the twerking, it's not there.
Babe, we could twerk.
Huh?
We could twerk.
Yeah, y'all can twerk, but not as us.
Cause y'all don't twerk. Y'all dry hump.
We're not
That's dry humping.
We're not dry humping no bumbo chop.
Chop.
Calm down.
Calm down.
So guys, we got the cooking, the lazy, dancing. Alright? Step your game up. Alright?
Whatever.
The hair.
What about my hair?
Boy, you do your hair 24/7, boy.
So? What that mean?
You do your hair 24/7, boy.
What that mean?
Shit, don't get me wrong, it's good, but sheesh.
I like to switch it up. I don't like
Boy,
having
you
one
change your
style.
hair more.
I
You change your hair more than how I urinate.
Babe, because I don't like having one
Ain't nothing wrong with
style.
that, boy. Goddamn.
I gotta keep them guessing. Like I go to work every week and they be like, "Did you just have this hair? Did you just have this?" I don't need y'all looking for me. Don't be looking for me. Don't be worried about what I got going on. Like these braids, it's been a week today. And I'm taking these down.
Change your hair like every day, bro. Every day. Oh, we got one more. Friendly. Man, if it's just her. What was it?
What's wrong with being friendly?
Boy, baby.
Baby.
You too friendly.
I'm not too friendly.
You too friendly, boy. You too friendly.
I'm too friendly.
You too friendly,
I'm
boy.
too friendly.
Oh,
Girl, I'm
friendly.
friendly.
Too friendly.
What you mean I'm too friendly?
Too friendly. Look at me, there's a lot of friendly girls, boy. You too friendly.
I'm not too friendly. Like somebody can get the business if they cross me. Like come at me the wrong way, you getting the business.
Maybe not right now. When I first met you.
Oh yeah, I was super friendly, y'all.
Okay,
like,
you was super
I'm
friendly.
literally talking to everybody, but now I'm just like, what?
And don't say cause of me.
What do you want? Cause of him.
No, it's not.
Yes.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Nah, it's honestly cause of my job, y'all.
Okay, yeah.
I stopped like talking to people like that cause my
Cause
job.
come back home, you look at the female, you like, oh, I ain't trying to
He don't talk to nobody.
No, I ain't messing with her. But yeah, too friendly. No, ain't nothing wrong with that, but
I was really friendly. Like
that's something I had to get used to. Too friendly. Like I was not like me.
He always tell me, babe, you too friendly. Like when we in the malls and like them people, you know, they stop
Bro,
you.
and sometimes she be saying hi, good morning to every goddamn person. I'm like, goddamn.
I'm like, they
Can
said
you
something to
keep
me.
walking?
They said something to me.
They gotta say hi to everybody.
They said it to me
Damn.
first. So
I'm gonna say me for okay. Keep walking.
they be like, hey, how are you? I'm like, good, how are you? They be like, oh, you want to try this?
Alright.
And baby like, let's go.
Yeah, for real, let's go. Like, no, let's keep walking. I'm not here to talk to you. I'm here to go about my business.
I be like,
What else?
But now I just get on the other side of him and just keep walking because I know he gonna keep walking, so I just keep walking.
But when it comes to cooking, even though she don't cook, but when she do cook, she take the easy way out in every goddamn thing possible. When I say everything, everything. Everything. Then shit. This person here don't use regular rice. They use rice box or the cook. So when they put it in that pot, it does take 2 minutes and it's done.
No, I haven't.
Okay, yo, back home we use knife, open up the can.
I'm not using that.
She want a can opener for every can.
I want a can opener.
Big, small, lot.
I'm not gonna cut my finger on no big old knife.
If you plan to cook a food, if she get estimated food gonna take over 20 minutes, it's a no wrap. She ain't cooking it. It ain't happening. It ain't happening. She started jump up in the air, baby, hot. I'm like, bro, just do the thing, bro. Do.
Yo, when I'm frying food, like I love fried chicken, I love fried food, but when that grease start popping, I'm out. That's it. I'm done. I don't play about that grease. I like deep frying stuff. He like putting stuff in the skillet with a little bit of grease and swishing the chicken
take
over.
my time.
No, I just like filling it up with grease to drop that chicken in there, take it out, put it on the napkin, let the little grease fall off of there and everything like that, and then we done. Period. He gotta put the chicken, he gotta put the skillet, put a little bit of oil, a little bit of drop of oil in there, then he gotta put the chicken in there, let it fry on that side.
So you save oil.
And put it on the other
May
side.
I see every aisle?
No.
May I see every aisle?
No, you can drain the oil.
May I see every aisle?
You can drain it.
Shut up.
I'm not gonna put that little bit of oil in there that's gonna take me 5 hours to cook this daggone chicken. When I can just put it in that big old pot with that oil in there, drop it in there, let that chicken float to the top, and then it's done. Period. I ain't got time for all that. I hate cooking because it takes too long.
Anyways, back to the video. I wish you more.
Oh, man.
Alright guys, so I think that's all I have for now. You know what I'm saying? Because as I said, this video is gonna be all over the place. I'm just saying the first thing that comes to my mind. I don't really like doing video like that. I rather just, you know, step 1, step 2, step 3, you know, get all, you know what I'm saying, in one bunch and go to the next and right and come back. So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna start the video right here. We're gonna call it a day right there. Then we're gonna probably do a part 2. So I want you guys to comment down below, ask questions that you want me to say. What's the difference between Jamaican and American? I try to say everything that comes to my mind. Like I said, this video was last minute, and I didn't have time to really think on anything. We just, hey babe, you want to do this? Okay, yes, let's do it, and let's jump right into it. So, I'm sorry this video is all over the place. I'm really, really sorry. As I said before, this is just for fun, entertainment purposes, or anybody that wanted to know what's the difference. I'm not bashing nobody. I'm just saying.
You're talking about me.
About her. I know I might say y'all. I'm talking about her. I don't know what the next door person do. I know I say y'all, mean everybody, but I'm talking about her.
Yeah, talk about me.
But yeah, we're gonna probably do part 2. So comment down below if you guys want me to answer any more questions down below. And we're gonna catch you guys in the next video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And anything you wanna say? Turn the notification bell on. Comment, share, and let's go. 3K. Roll to 3K. Let's go. BB got me out.